Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make the wheels of a car look like they are moving in Photoshop. I have downloaded this image from unsplash.com and I will also leave the link in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. And I want to make these two wheels look like they are moving. So for that, I'm going to take a copy of the background layer. I will be actually taking two copies and I will lock the below one. And now I will be selecting the upper one and click on filters. Go to the blur filters and click on spin blur. Now you need to click on the right in the middle of the wheel of the car, just like that. I'm going to increase some of the blur angle. Yeah, this looks good. Now once you are done, just click on OK. It will take some time to load to apply the filter on this image. Now as you can see, the wheels of the car looks like they are moving. And now by selecting the upper layer, I'm going to use the marquee tool to remove out the excess part that we don't need. From the middle, I'm using the marquee tool to draw a ellipse and write just here. Now I'll be doing the same with the other one as well. And this looks just right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the mask on this layer. And there you go. Now you can see all of the excess part is now deleted, but there are some of the edges that are not that smooth. So we are going to smoothen that out. For that, I'll be using the brush tool, and by selecting the mask and reducing the flow, I'm going to draw on the edges of this. And same with the other one. Now you can see this was before, and now this is after applying the effect. Now to save the file, click on File. Now go to Save, and you can save it on computer or your cloud. And that's how you can make the wheels of a car look like they are moving in Photoshop. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.